Good morning, students. Today we will see some questions of exercise 13b. Question number 5. Find the ratio in which the point A6 divides the join of minus 4, 3 and 2, 8. Let the point minus 4, 3 be A and point 2, 8 be the point B. The points are joined. This is the line segment. After joining the points, P is a point on the line segment whose coordinates are A6. We have to find the ratio in which the line segment AB is divided by the point P. Okay. Suppose that P divides AB in the ratio K is to 1. K is to 1. You can also take M1 is to M2, but the calculation will be simpler if we take this ratio K is to 1. Now, by using section formula, what is section formula? Y coordinate of P. Y coordinate of P. What is the Y coordinate? This is the Y coordinate. Y coordinate is given by M1 Y2 M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2 is K plus 1. This gives 6 is equal to 8K plus 3 by K plus 1. Now cross multiplication. 8K plus 3 is 1. 8K plus 3 is equal to 6K plus 6. Bring 6K this side. 8K minus 6K. 2K is equal to 6 minus 3, 3. This gives K is equal to 3 by 2. We have supposed that the ratio is K is to 1 and 3 by 2 is to 1. 3 by 2 is to 1 is also 3 by 2. So the ratio is 3 is to 2. The required ratio is 3 is to 2. The line segment AB is divided by point B in the ratio 3 is to 2. This part will be 3 part, this will be 2 part. Now we also have to find the value of A. Once we know the ratio in which the line segment is divided, we can find the x coordinate. What is the formula for x coordinate? X coordinate of P. This is the x coordinate A. A is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1. M1 x2 plus M2 x1. M2 x1 2 into minus 4 by M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2 will be 3 plus 2, 5. This gives A is equal to 6 minus 8 minus 2 by 5 answer. So the ratio is 3 is to 2 and the value of A is minus 2 by 5. One more question we will see, that is question number 13. Question number 13. See the figure, question number 13. A is on the x-axis. Point A is on the x-axis and B is on y-axis. Any point on x-axis, any point on the x-axis is of the form x0. So we can take the coordinates of A as x0. A is on x-axis, so we can take the coordinates of A x0. Y is on the y-axis, sorry, B is on y-axis, so we can take the coordinates of B 0, y. P is on AB. P is on AB. The coordinates of P are 5 minus 4. Also, AP is to BP. The ratio is AP is to BP is 2 is to 5. What is required? We have to find the coordinates of A and B. Means we have to find the value of x and y. Okay, coordinates of P are given. Ratio is also given. We find the x coordinate of A and y coordinate of B using the section formula. So by section formula, here we write by section formula. By section formula, x coordinate of P 5 is equal to m1. This is m1. x2 2 into 0 plus m2, this is m2, and x1 5 into x by m1 plus m2 2 plus 5. This gives 0 plus 5x by 7. On solving this, we get the value of x as 7. The value of x is 7. Now, using the same formula, section formula, we take y coordinate of P. Y coordinate of P, similarly, using section formula, y coordinate of P minus 4 is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2 2 plus 5. This will give us 7 4 28 minus 28 is equal to 2y plus 0, 2y. It means y is equal to minus 15. Now we know the value of both x and y. So what will be the coordinates of A? Put the value of x is 7 0 and the coordinates of B 0 minus 14. So we have found the coordinates of A and B. One more question we will see. That is question number 20. Question number 20. ABC is a triangle. Question number 20 in the book. ABC is a triangle. Triangle ABC is given. ABC is a triangle. ABC. Question number 20. ABC is a triangle. ABC. The coordinates of A are minus 3, 4. Coordinates of B are 3 minus 1. And coordinates of C are minus 2, 4. These are the coordinates of A, B and C. P is a point on BC. P is a point on BC in such a way that P divides BC in the ratio 2:3. This is point P. Such that BP is to PC 2:3. P P divides BC in the ratio 2:3. We have to find the distance of A between A and P. That is AP. For this, we will use the distance formula. But before that, we must know the coordinates of P. Let the coordinates of P are x, y. Okay? Coordinates of B and C are known. This ratio is known 2:3. We can find the coordinates of P. So x coordinates bisection formula. Section formula x is equal to m1 x2 m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 2 plus 3 is equal to, this gives 9 minus 4. 5 by 5 is equal to 1. Similarly, y is equal to m1 y2 2 into 4 plus m2 y1 3 into minus 1 by m1 plus m2 2 plus 3 is equal to, this value will come 8 minus 3, 5 by 5 is equal to 1. So we know the coordinates of P. What are coordinates of P? The value of x we have got 1 and the value of y is also 1. So coordinates of P are 1, 1 and coordinates of A are minus 3, 4. Now we can use the section formula to find the distance between A and P, that is AP. What is the distance formula you can recall? x2 minus x1 minus 3 minus 1 square plus y2 minus y1 4 minus 1 square. Minus 4 square gives 16. 3 square gives 9, square root 25 is equal to 5. Therefore, the distance between A and B is 5 units. Okay, remaining question you will do yourself.